Hi everyone, this is Sinyoung from Lémore Beauty. In today's video, we answer a highly asked question by you lovelies on Gua Sha Facial Massage 101, Why Wiggle at the End of Each Swipe? Purpose and Benefits. We encourage you to wiggle at the end of each swipe to, number 1, help target key trigger areas of our face and neck to release tension and blockages. Number 2, to help promote deep breathing and to bring conscious intention to our massage. Number 3, to help improve circulation and to encourage lymphatic drainage. As always, you can try giving yourself Gua Sha facial massages with and without wiggling at the end of each swipe to notice the difference yourself. Well, we hope you found this video helpful on your journey to giving yourself amazing Gua Sha facial massages easily at home. Thank you for watching. Take care and see you soon, my darlings. Bye bye.